Hi, I'm Bob from Jeeps 3D, and I'm here to introduce my new jog pendant that will work with any Shapeoko or any CNC router that is created by Carbide 3D that will run on Carbide Motion software. This is a 3-axis jog controller, so X, Y, and Z, with 3 speed modes: slow, medium, and fast. I will zoom in here in a moment and show you how it works. Let's do a little jogging with it. Right now I have the X-axis selected and in a fast mode. And as you rotate the jog dial, get a nice smooth and we'll switch over to the Y-axis. And Z. Now you do have to be careful in fast mode. This does emulate the keyboard strokes, so every increment of this dial sends one keystroke to the control software. And of course that gets buffered if you turn too fast, so you don't want to be crashing into anything. So I suggest come up to maybe 2-3 inches from your starting point, and then switch down into either the slow or the medium, and then you can dial it in with nice gentle increments. This is especially nice for getting in there and getting a piece of paper under there, or a feeler gauge, or whatever you want to use for setting your Z. You can move down in 1/1000th increments very, very reliably. Again, this is for Carbide Motion software only, and that is put out by Carbide 3D. This is totally plug and play. You can find this on my Etsy shop or at jeeps3d.com, and I will put a link down in the description of the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.